Good morning, students. In this session, I'm going to explain the solution of one problem, and the problem is show that the matrix 1, 1, 0, 1 can never be similar to a diagonal matrix. So, in order to solve this, understand the definition of similar matrix and a diagonal matrix. Okay. Now, what do you mean by a diagonal matrix? An n by n matrix A equal to Aij is called a diagonal matrix if Aij is equal to 0 whenever I not equal to j. That is, other than the diagonal elements, all the elements are equal to 0. So when I is equal to j, Aii is not equal to 0. Are you following? So an n by n matrix A is called a diagonal matrix if Aij is equal to 0 whenever I is not equal to j. Now let us understand the definition of similar matrix. Now two matrices A and B are said to be similar matrices if B is equal to C into A into C inverse, where C is a non-singular matrix. Okay. So if B equal to C A C inverse, where C is non-singular, we say that A and B are similar matrices. Okay. Now we have the definition of similar matrix and a diagonal matrix. Now let us solve the problem. We have to show that the matrix 1, 1, 0, 1 can never be similar to a diagonal matrix. Okay. Now suppose that the given matrix 1, 1, 0, 1 is similar to a matrix which is diagonal matrix. Okay. Now ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Can never be similar to a diagonal matrix ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. Suppose it is equal to a matrix which is a diagonal matrix, then there exists a matrix C equal to A, B, C, D. It's a 2 by 2 matrix where AD minus BC is not equal to 0 such that C into A into C inverse is equal to diagonal matrix, right? Suppose this matrix is similar to a matrix which is a diagonal matrix, then C into A into C inverse is equal to B. What is B? B is a diagonal matrix, isn't it? So diagonal matrix andre diagonal elements non-zero, say D1 ಮತ್ತೆ D2, ulida elements are equal to 0. So this is a given matrix. So there exists a matrix C which is non-singular such that C into A into C inverse is equal to a diagonal matrix. So let us consider C is equal to A, B, C, D, where AD minus BC is not equal to 0. Why AD minus BC is not equal to 0? Because C is a non-singular matrix. Okay. Okay, now let us simplify this. Now C into 1, 1, 0, 1. We have to simplify left hand side. See here, we have C, A, C inverse. Okay. So let us multiply C and the given matrix. That is equal to C is A, B, C, D into 1, 1, 0, 1. Now let us multiply two matrices. A into 1 plus B into 0. That is equal to A. Next, C into 1 plus D into 0. That is equal to C. That is here. Okay. Now let us consider the second element in the first row. A into 1 plus B into 1. That is A plus B. And the last element is C into 1 plus D into 1. So we have C plus D. Now what is C inverse? C inverse andre enu? C andre A, B, C, D. Idra inverse andre enu? Ideradu elements interchange ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. A ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ D ಆಗ್ತದೆ, D ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ A ಆಗ್ತದೆ, and these elements are multiplied by minus 1, isn't it? So D minus B minus CA divided by AD minus BC divided by determinant of C, that is AD minus BC. See, determinant of this matrix is A, B, C, D, that is equal to AD minus BC, that is non-zero, right? Because C is a non-singular matrix. So C inverse is 1 over AD minus BC into D minus B minus C A. Okay, that is equal to D divided by, now let us multiply each element by 1 over AD minus BC. So D over AD minus BC minus B over AD minus BC minus C upon AD minus BC and A divided by AD minus BC. Okay. So we have this product Now C inverse is also obtained. Now let us multiply, see here, C into A into C inverse. So we have multiplied these two matrices. We have C inverse. Let us multiply the product. Okay. So therefore C into A into C inverse is equal to, this product is A plus B, C and C plus D, and we have C inverse here. Now let us multiply the two matrices, A into D divided by AD minus BC, that is AD divided by AD minus BC, and the next element is plus minus AC minus BC divided by AD minus BC. So we have AD minus BC minus AC divided by AD minus BC. Okay. Now multiply, find this element, multiply this second row with the first column, C into D divided by AD minus BC plus C into minus C minus DC divided by AD minus BC. See here, C into D is CD. Here we have CD divided by AD minus BC plus minus C squared minus CD divided by AD minus BC. So minus CD ಮತ್ತೆ plus CD cancel ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ minus C square divided by AD minus BC ಅಂತ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. Now find this element, the second element in the first row, that is A into minus B divided by AD minus BC plus A plus B into A divided by AD minus BC. On simplification we get A square divided by AD minus BC. Similarly, find the second element in the second row, that is AD minus BC plus AC divided by AD minus BC. Okay. So C inverse is this matrix. Suppose this matrix is a diagonal matrix. C inverse is equal to, where is that? It is equal to a diagonal matrix D1 0 0 D2. Then we have, see here, this matrix is equal to D1 0 0 D2. That is, this matrix is equal to a diagonal matrix, which means that diagonal matrix agbekadre A is equal to 0, C is equal to 0. Are you following? A equal to 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇದೆರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಇದು 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇದು 0 ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ A equal to 0, ಇಲ್ಲಿ C equal to 0. ಸೊ ಇದು ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ other than the diagonal elements, ಉಳಿದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 0 ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. Therefore A is equal to 0 and C is equal to 0. But that is a contradiction. Why it is a contradiction? Because AD minus BC is not equal to 0. Suppose A equal to 0, C is equal to 0 ಆದರೆ then AD minus BC is equal to 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, which means that the matrix C is singular. Therefore AD minus BC is not equal to 0, which implies that A is not equal to 0, C is not equal to 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು. Therefore this matrix cannot be similar to a diagonal matrix. Hence the matrix, that is the given matrix 1 1 0 1, can never be similar to a diagonal matrix. Suppose it is similar to a diagonal matrix, we get a contradiction to the assumption that AD minus BC is not equal to 0. That is C is singular anta sigutte. C is a singular matrix anta sigutte. Therefore the given matrix 1 1 0 1 can never be similar to a diagonal matrix. Okay, I hope you are following. So in order to solve this, understand the definition of a similar matrix and a diagonal matrix, and then multiplication of matrices. Okay, I hope you are following. I shall stop here. Thank you.